Hi friends, I'm sharing with you a fix today for sprinklers and funny pipe. So I have a sprinkler in the middle over there, and then I did some funny pipe to bring it to the edge because the sprinkler was just not hitting this edge over here. Now this is like the third or fourth time that this has happened. So what happens is this fixture I bought separately than the funny pipe, and the funny pipe does not, it's bigger, and so this keeps popping out with the pressure of the sprinkler. And so I wrapped some Teflon tape around it, some plumber's tape, and it just slid out, and it's been a problem for the last 2 seasons. So I thought I was just going to run to the hardware store and buy a new fitting and see if I could get one that would fit better in the funny tape, but I kind of pondered on it, and this is what I came up with, and it's working, and I'm so happy. Because I tried 3 different things before this one. So what I did is I cut the finger off a rubber glove. I actually did 2. I cut the small finger off and slid it on first, and then I cut the longer finger off, folded it over on itself. You can see it's kind of folded so that the folded section's there. And then when I inserted it into the funny pipe, I pulled this really tight. I'm going to try doing this. So I just grabbed it really tight and just kind of twisted it onto itself, and then I shoved this into the funny pipe. I kind of wedged it, wiggled it, and got this into the funny pipe. Now the sprinkler screws onto this portion. So the rubber glove, so I've got the tighter one on there, and then you can just do this, and if you can get it on like that, awesome. So you just fit it in, and then you just wiggle it, wiggle, wiggle, and the rubber glove gets those grippers and it holds it on, because this has been a nightmare for me for the last couple of years on several spots in my lawn. And then the water dumps out, you lose the soil, and then you have a lower area in the, you know, like you can tell exactly where the funny pipe is running. So this seems to be holding really well. I've tested it 3 or 4 times, and I'm gonna fill it back in right now, but I wanted to share that with you because gosh, what a lifesaver that was real quick. So fixture that goes under the sprinkler, funny pipes going out that direction, rubber glove or a thin piece of rubber wrapped around it, and then shove it into the funny pipe, and it's been holding. So that's the first time it's held, because I tried several different things before this and just kept popping out. I actually even cut the funny pipe down, tried a new section, and even in the brand new funny pipe that I have in the garage, it's still sliding out too easily. So this was a good answer. So I just wanted to share that with you. So check out my blog, thesecretisgratitude.com, and I'll show pictures and a little bit more information. And thanks for watching. Check out some of my other videos. I've got some great videos on solenoids and how to get a stuck pipe out of in your yard and using tools to get it out. I've got all sorts of videos, changing out light sockets and everything. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a very blessed day.